the online resources are really geared towards customers and potential customers. And it's to give those folks a library, a place they can go and get their questions answered, and I think a better informed customer is going to be a better customer, and a long-term customer. So if we can be the expert and help them out and move them, because again, we do this all day long, right? That's all we do is castings. Most of our customers use castings and get involved in design and issues with castings once in a while. So for them to come to us, I think is exactly what we want to have happen.
So you're working on trying to be the matter expert, whether it's a casting that fits within BPI or casting that's used elsewhere.
Exactly. And it's not just the casting, but maybe the secondaries. Do we machine this? Is this a powder coat? Is powder coat going to give us an issue? How do we address, outgassing and powder coating, that sort of thing? So, those are all things that we've been dealing with for years. And again, just to give that information out, they feel confident coming back to us again. So
very cool.
Yeah, I mean, I think I point people to the design guide almost daily. Design engineers, when they're coming up to us, how am I going to put your casting and your design into our process? And I think it's invaluable to be able to point them to that video clips we have on the website to just kind of do a better job of explaining it, or also reiterating what we are telling them at the same time.
I mean, there's designers out there too that may not even know what castings are.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
From a metal perspective or design perspective, they may be mocking something up that they think goes plastics, and in reality it should be metal, or vice versa, or they design it for a specific process and it should be a different process.